In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your income, deductions, and credits, then review your refund, e-file your return, and set up direct deposit. To get started, sign in to your tax filing account and continue to the guided interview. This interview is designed to walk you through your return in a clear, organized way, so take your time and move through each section carefully. If you have your tax documents ready before you begin, the process will feel much smoother and you'll be less likely to miss anything important. Once you're in, begin entering your income information. Follow the prompts and add each source of income exactly as shown on your tax forms. Accuracy matters here, because even small typing mistakes can affect calculations later in the return. As you work through the interview, make sure you review each entry before moving forward. If the system asks follow-up questions, answer them fully so the software can apply the correct tax treatment. After income, move on to deductions and credits. This part helps determine whether you qualify for tax benefits that could lower what you owe or increase your refund. Enter the requested details carefully and pay attention to any explanations on screen. These sections can sometimes feel repetitive, but they're important because they help build a complete and accurate return. If a category does not apply to you, simply continue to the next prompt without forcing an entry. When all of your information has been entered, review your refund total or balance due. This is your chance to pause and look over the full picture. Check that your income amounts, deduction details, and credit information appear correct. A final review can help catch missing entries or simple errors before filing. If something doesn't look right, go back through the interview and make corrections before continuing. Next, proceed to e-file your return. Follow the instructions on screen to complete the electronic filing process. Read each confirmation page carefully so you understand what is being submitted. Before sending the return, make sure everything is complete and accurate, because filing officially transmits your tax information. Finally,